Hi, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. All right, we're going to start with rhyming. Remember, repeat after me. If it rhymes, give me a thumbs up. If it doesn't rhyme, give me a thumbs down. Okay. Hose, rose. New who. Fort, sort. Home, car. No, yes. All right, you got it. Next one, I'm going to say two words and the sound they start with. Repeat after me. Day, dish, d. Wipe, warm, w. Gone, gate, g. Sock, size, s. Bus, bead, b. Great. Next one, you're going to need your choppers. We are going to do the two parts of a word, then the whole word together. Ready? Oh, no. Oh, low. Oh, go. Oh, so. Oh, toe. Nice job. Next one is our roller coaster. Get your roller coaster ready. Remember, you're going to watch me first, then it's your turn. Cash. K, ash. Middle sound. Ah. Hen. H, eh. Middle sound. Eh. Good. Hip. I. Middle sound. I. Clock. Clock. Middle sound. Ah. Such. Such. Middle sound. Ah. Very good. All right, choppers again. This time we're saying the whole word and then chop it into two parts, okay? Ready? Two, t, oo. Zoo, z, oo. Do, d, oo. Moo, m, oo. You, y, oo. Great. All right, now we're going to add pieces of a word. Repeat after me. O, add g, go. I, add h, high. A, add oo, lay. Ooh, add y, you. E, add s, see. Good. Now we're going to delete a piece of a word. You're going to hold a little word in your hands. All right. Our word is tie. Without t, what's left is I. Mow. Without what's left is O. Do. Without d, what's left is oo. Weigh. Without w, what's left is a. He. Without h, what's left is e. Great. And then our last one is our new skill we learned this week. We are going to be substituting out parts of a word, all right? So your word is lay. Change l to s. Say. Say. Change s to m. May. May. Change to p. Pay. Pay. Change p to w. Way. Very good. That is it for today. Hope you have a great rest of your day and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.